Hello dear students. So I am Ravi S. Pujari, economics lecturer. My channel name is Economics Ravi 1776 1776. So today we have started with another one video for the first year purpose, first year economics student purpose. Okay, so this videos we have started with the 5 marks, another one second important questions. Okay, that one questions: identify the formal and informal workers. Okay, informal workers, correct? So informal workers in the following the list means it will be given by the questioning. Okay, already you know that. So model 1 paper, okay, model 1 paper, first paper. So that one last one question is there. Okay, last one, this one question is there already. So that one question it will be given by the like so total, so 10 workers name it will be they are the providing. Okay, so for example, so one time we have the repeating for in the like so that one workers. Okay, first one a petty shop owner. Okay, petty shop owner. And the second one handloom weaver. Okay, next SBI cashier. Okay, a street vendor. Next fifth one government hospital nurse. Next sixth one government primary school teacher. Okay, next tailor. Next revenue inspector. Next ninth one police. Then last one, 10th one agriculture laborers. Okay, this is the total. So how many is there? Total 10 workers is there. So then 10 workers, it will be different type of the sector, different type of the working of the forces is there. So we have classified into in the economics one side they have the classified into like formal sector, formal sectors, and another one informal sectors. Okay, formal it means that it is, you know that like so it is the rules and regulations of operating, and fixed wages is there, or fixed salary is there, and time condition already it will be they have the fixed is there. So that is called for in the formal workers. Okay, formal workers, they have the enjoying for in the holidays, and it will be specific of the like timing hours. Okay, for example, so 8 hours working hours. Okay, and it will be they have the holidays, so many it will be benefits, social securities, it will be all the, so it will be fruitful for in the they have the enjoying for in the like a formal workers. Okay, formal workers, so that one they have the classified. Okay, so 5 workers is there, that worker it will be they have the classified into formal workers. And the second one it will be they have the informal side, it will be came for in the like a, so it will be not the any working of the timing, it will be not the included. Okay, sometime it will be they have the work for in the 8 hours 9 hours. Okay, and it will be not the any condition of it will be specific of like wages. Okay, so that wages also it will be not the any fixed. Okay, and it will be not the giving for in the holidays. Okay, so not the any one social security benefits, it will be not the providing for in the that one. So sectors, that is called for in the like informal sectors. Okay, for example, you know that informal sectors, building construction workers. Okay, and like so many workers it became is there. Okay, that one they are the classified. Okay, so which are the given by the total 10 members. Okay, that 10 members they are the classified into, there are 2 part. Okay, so first one we have the taken by the formal sectors. Okay, so first one side formal. Okay, formal. Then second one informal. Second one informal workers. Okay, there are 2 workers force is there, one is formal. Okay, see first one a petty shop owner. Okay, a petty shop owner it will be came for in the like formal or informal. Okay, why? So because of it will be not the any like a timing or the rules and regulations, it will be not the operating. Okay, that means it will be they have the like it will be came for in the this one sectors. Okay, informal sectors. Okay, so first one we have the write it to the, okay, a petty shop, a petty shop owners, a petty shop owner. So first so informal sector workers. Okay, a petty shop owner it means already, so one shopper owner is there, that it will be not the any so time force. Okay, it will be not the consideration. Okay, so it will be working for in the own business is there, that means it will be not the any came for in the like informal, so came for in the informal sectors. Okay, next one handloom weaver. Second one handloom, handloom, handloom weaver, handloom weaver. Handloom weaver also it will be came for in the informal sector. Why? Because of it will be so like it is the own working. Okay, it will be own working of the that one, so working style. Okay, handloom workers. And next one, third one, SBI cashier. Okay, SBI cashier, SBI is the okay State Bank of India. Okay, State Bank of India cashier it will came for in the like so this side. Okay, formal side. Okay, why? So because of so they have the enjoying for in the lot of number of like a government securities there. Okay, and it will be time is there, fixed time is there, and salary is there. So that means it will be all the things it will be they have they decided to in the formal sectors. So that means first one, so we have call for the SBI. First one, SBI cashier, cashier, SBI cashier. Okay, next, so fourth one, a street vendor. Okay, a street vendor it will be came for in the this side. Okay, informal side. A street vendor, a street vendor it will be came for in the like that side, so informal workers. Okay, next, so next one, government hospital nurse. Okay, government hospital nurse it will be came for in the like government so workers. Okay, or so government employees, so that means it will be came for in the this one side. Okay, formal sectors. Government hospital nurse. Next one, the government primary school teacher. Okay, government school teacher, so also it will be came for in the like this one side. Okay, the government school teacher, the government primary school teacher. Okay, sorry, government primary school teacher, primary school teacher, also it will be came for in the formal sectors. Okay, next one, tailor. Okay, so tailor came for in the this one side. Okay, informal side. Tailor. Okay, next revenue inspector. Okay, revenue inspector, so came for in the this one side. Revenue inspector, okay, formal side. Okay, 4 last second one, police also it will be came for in the this side, formal sector. Police. Okay, so police also it became for in the formal sector. Last one, informal sector, agriculture laborer. Agriculture laborer. So this is came for in the next examination, most important of your annual examinations. Okay, dear students, see, so one side formal women is there, total 5, and another side so 5 members it will become for in the informal sectors. Okay, so this is the one of the most important of second important for your annual examinations. Okay, so practice it, dear students. Okay, thank you.